some. I have overall 4 years of experience in teaching. So today I will teach resources and development from geography. So first and foremost, we should know what is resources. Okay, so resources are those who actually fulfill our needs, who satisfy us. The everything that exists in the nature are called resources, right? So we humans actually play a vital role in resources, like to transform a material into a useful resources so that it can benefit us, it can satisfy us through different processes, like it can be done through technology or different kind of sources. So resources are categorized into 4 different parts depending upon their origin, their exhaustibility, their ownership and their development. Now let's know about their origin. So depending upon their origin, it has been classified by 2 parts, that is biotic and abiotic. So biotic is like that exists in the biosphere. We are example of biotic resources that have living beings, like the animals, the human beings are example of biotic resources. All the kind of flora and fauna are example of biotic resources. Now coming to abiotic are those who are non-living. For example, the minerals, the rocks are abiotic resources. Okay, so now coming to the important, that is exhaustibility. This is an important part because it depends upon their exhaustibility. How do the resources exhaust, right? So depending upon their exhaustibility, it has been categorized into 2 different parts, that is renewable and non-renewable. Renewable are those which can be reproduced by physically or chemically or mechanical process. For example, the solar energy, the wind energy, it can be reproduced, but non-renewable energy cannot be reproduced. It takes million and million years to form again. For example, the fossil fuels, the minerals, it takes lots of time, right? So these are depend upon their exhaustibility. Now third, ownership. Depending upon their ownership, it has been classified into 4 different parts, that is individual, community, national and international. So these are all depend upon their ownership. Got it? Now next, that is the development. So depending upon the development also, resources are classified into 4 different parts, that is potential, stock, reserved and developed. Potential. What is potential resources? Potential resources are those who are actually found in the region but not utilized, that are potential resources. Now next, next is stock. Stock resources are those who are actually who fulfill our needs but don't have a technological approach, right? So, and next, that is developed, which are already been surveyed by some other great people. For example, coal, oil, gas, these are the developed resources. Third, that is reserved. Reserved resources are which are reserved for our future generations, right? Okay, so these are something about resources. Now what is development? So we all know that what is going around us, right? We are misusing the resources. The resources are getting exhausted, and for which we are facing lots and lots of troubles. Global warming, ozone layer depletion, melting glaciers, ecological crisis, all these are happening just because of misuse of resources, right? So the way we are depleting the resources, the decreasing day by day in a very fast pace, what will happen for the future generations, right? So we should, what we can do is we should plan our resources. We should very sit idle and we should plan our resources. Sustainable development. So what is sustainable development? The development without damaging our environment, which we can save for our future generation. So sustainable development plays a vital role in resource planning. So this is all about resources and development. Thank you so much.